Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 23rd, 2024, and we're diving into IBM's latest earnings report for the third quarter of 2024. Joining us is John, our Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss IBM's performance, especially given the significant developments in their software segment and AI initiatives.
Absolutely. IBM has been making waves with its AI and software growth. Let's get into the details. Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. IBM reported a net revenue of $15.0 billion for the third quarter, which is a 1% increase year over year. John, can you shed some light on the revenue distribution and profitability?
Absolutely. The standout performer was the software segment, which saw a 10% increase in revenue, driven by strong growth in Red Hat and automation. This segment now accounts for nearly 45% of IBM's total revenue. Despite a flat performance in consulting and a decline in infrastructure, IBM managed to expand its gross profit margin to 56.3% on a GAAP basis and 57.5% on a non-GAAP basis. This margin expansion is a testament to their effective cost management and strategic focus on high-margin areas.
And what about earnings per share?
On a non-GAAP basis, IBM reported an EPS of $2.30, which reflects their operational efficiencies and the positive impact of their software-driven strategy.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. IBM's operational efficiencies seem to be paying off, especially in terms of cash flow. Can you elaborate on their cash flow and balance sheet status?
IBM generated a free cash flow of $6.6 billion year to date, which is a significant increase from the previous year. They ended the quarter with $13.7 billion in cash and marketable securities, providing a solid liquidity position. Their debt remains stable at $56.6 billion, which is crucial for maintaining financial flexibility.
Looking ahead, what are IBM's expectations for the fourth quarter?
IBM expects fourth quarter revenue growth to be consistent with the third quarter, driven by continued strength in their software segment. They are also confident in achieving more than $12 billion in free cash flow for the full year, which underscores their strong operational execution.
Strategic initiatives and AI momentum. IBM has been making significant strides in AI and software. Can you discuss their strategic initiatives and the impact on their business?
IBM's AI initiatives are gaining momentum, with their generative AI book of business now exceeding $3 billion, up by more than $1 billion from the previous quarter. This growth is fueled by their trusted and cost-effective AI models. Red Hat continues to be a key growth driver, with a 14% increase in revenue, and their hybrid platform and solutions saw a 10% rise. These strategic initiatives are positioning IBM as a leader in the AI space.
That's impressive. How does this align with their overall business strategy?
IBM's focus on AI and software aligns with their strategy to drive growth through high-value segments. By investing in AI and expanding their software capabilities, they are enhancing their competitive edge and creating new revenue streams.
Risks and challenges. While IBM has shown strong performance in certain areas, there are challenges they face. Can you highlight some of these risks?
One significant challenge is the $2.7 billion pension settlement charge, which impacted their GAAP results. Additionally, their infrastructure segment saw a 7% decline in revenue, and consulting revenue remained flat. Currency fluctuations also pose a headwind, potentially affecting future revenue growth.
How is IBM addressing these challenges?
IBM is focusing on optimizing their cost structure and enhancing their product mix to mitigate these challenges. They are also leveraging their strong cash flow to invest in growth opportunities and return value to shareholders through dividends.
Key takeaways. In summary, IBM has delivered a solid performance in the third quarter, with notable growth in their software segment and AI initiatives. Their strong cash flow and strategic focus on high-value areas position them well for future growth. John, any final thoughts on IBM's investment prospects?
IBM's strategic initiatives in AI and software are promising, and their operational efficiencies are commendable. However, investors should be mindful of the challenges in their infrastructure segment and currency headwinds. Overall, IBM remains a strong player with potential for long-term growth.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on IBM's performance in the comments below. Until next time.